Hello and good morning, guys. I remain glad to see, and I'm bringing you insight for today's market. Mostly, I'm going to cover a trade altogether now. So we have the only medium impact news. We have I didn't filter the low impact news. Is the consumer sentiment from the University of Michigan. That is expected by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Going straight to the chart, see that we had a wobbly market, and this week I've been on a losing streak. Maybe the longest I've been for a very long time now. But this trading, it does happen. Um, so that bureau trading within the zone of this candle, this 7 o'clock yesterday, and you can see what is happening is that we're having buys or long trades, uh, voluminous long trade close to the end of this after London close. That's what we had yesterday. The market was trading downward for most of the session, and then bang by 6 o'clock, it's having torrenting upward. And very quickly this morning as well, we have this flush downward again. And you can see what is happening to this flush downward again. We are pushing against it. And this is just a crazy market condition to be trading in. Uh, I was a bit careless with some entries though. That is my bad. And I have looked for ways to improve on it. So mostly the euro is downward. It's been trading downward for a while now, even though the comments from the purpose is the fact that we don't have inflation worries, but people are still not willing to carry this one upward. So a short mostly is the general idea up to the value rally for the previous day at around 1.6 would be a good trade idea. In terms of the upside possibilities, we might have a mere reversion very quickly this session, but I don't expect that we do anything significant until we claim above the previous week's low. With that said, so mostly a short, a long maybe very early in the session, a scalp now, mostly very early in the session. We have quickly to take whatever is given. Not hold on to things too long, except we look at this, the way the 7 o'clock candlestick does close. So good as well. Good even traded below the 6 o'clock buyout yesterday. We've traded below it right now. We are testing the previous week's low again. And this is a region that has been holding for a while now. You can see it here, eventually held. And you can see that we are having reaction off of that level here as well. So mostly gold is also in a downtrend on the weekly time frame, higher time frame. But we can see that we've had consolidation since we breached the previous week's low on Tuesday. Since that reclaim on Tuesday. No, it was on Wednesday that we claimed. So mostly a short. And for this one, maybe look to target 4,500. That would be a good trade idea, and then the previous day's low. But today's Friday, we've had so much crazy action for the week. I'm not expecting much. But I'll take whatever it is I get with reduced lot size. So that is it for gold. And to the upside possibilities, maybe a scalping reversion at London Open will be possible. Possibly buying back towards 45.29, 45.28. That would be an idea. But although this is very unlikely, but that is also in the year. Moving forward to Nasdaq, that's been so bullish. I was painful yesterday what happened to me because I saw this rejection candle as first. I didn't long. I saw this one. And I took the long here. And we did go above and we started rejecting very close. And that was when I thought about closing my trade. But I lost some trade because I was too anxious here. Closing trades the previous day. So what I did was the fact that I have my stop loss to below the 15-minute candle. And it took me out. And that very same candle engulfed. And this one reached my target. It was around the open of this 3 o'clock candle. That's just been a story, right? This week, we take out my stops, then we run to target. But I'm looking to do better. So this one is also a long. This one is just a long. Nasdaq has proven to be the strongest. Even, especially with the report of the Nvidia and I believe I read something about the Samsung band lifting or something. So this is mostly a long. If you have a quick trade back during session, should long. But there is one scenario with Nasdaq and the fact that um, we've covered a lot of range this week and we took the previous week slow. So if it will liquidate, especially on Friday like this, it's going to be what maybe even reach some 29,200. That is Nasdaq for you. So be on the lookout for this one. Don't be too optimistic. Scalp. Move your stop loss to even very fast. Move your stop loss or tighten your stop loss very fast. And you should be good. So that is it for this day, guys. Good luck and good trades. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye for now.